Let's play Royal Enfield Continental GT. Whoa. Whoa, awesome. So guys, here I'm out with the Interceptor 650 Twin. And this one is Continental GT 650 Twin. I just ride this Interceptor out of the W Hotel and within few minutes I'm in love with this machine. I'm so excited riding this Continental GT. Look at this. Whoa! Smooth guys, it's really smooth. Oh, I'm in love with Continental GT. Awesome. So happy riding a GT. I mean, I'm like smiling when I'm riding this. It's beautiful. Going to Royalenfield, one of my favorite places. Going to backside of Vagator Beach. It's a nice place to keep a bike and enjoy the beachside. So guys, within a few minutes of my ride on this Interceptor, I realized this is a really beautiful smooth machine. The maneuvering, the handling was so comfortable. A perfect bike for long rides. On the other hand, I was falling in love with the Continental GT 650, which I took it to the backside of the Vagator beach to enjoy the beachside and to spend more time looking at the GT because this was my first ride on GT. So I am at the edge of the beach and it's awesome now. The maneuvering on this bike is really nice, but you need to get used to it. Yes, anybody can get on this bike and ride because Royal Enfield हमेशा वैसी ही बाइक बनाते हैं जो easy to ride हो. साइड स्टैंड से निकालने के टाइम ये बाइक थोड़ी heavy लगती है, but on the ride it is really smooth and really comfortable. Early morning I'm enjoying here at the Vagator beach and I'll tell you in short how is Continental GT. ये बहुत ही सुपर्ब स्पोर्टी लुक बाइक है. वो उन लोगों के लिए अच्छी है जो एग्रेसिव राइडिंग करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि इसका सिटिंग और हैंडलिंग पोजीशन थोड़ा लो है. इस 650 ट्विन इंजन फर्स्ट टाइम रॉयल एनफील्ड ने ये ट्विन इंजन निकाला है विच इज़ रियली गुड एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ ये 3 लाख के अंदर है. ये 47 bhp है और 16 न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क है, इसलिए राइड बहुत ही स्मूथ है. On my left hand side was the Aswan beach which I was really excited to see how the Interceptor go on a semi off-road terrain. And I realized that yes, with the stock tire it is not easy to ride this motorbike. You need to change the tire to make it the all-terrain bike. Right now the Interceptor was having a Pirelli Phantom Sportcom tires. By the way, Continental GT and Interceptor are really heavy when they're on the side stand. You really need to put your strength to move the bike. And right now, my GT was at the show. Imagine. After spending some quality time on the beach and playing some football with the local Goan boys at Vagator, I decided to ride again. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Heading up and very easily the Continental GT was performing. I was on the third gear and very smoothly it went up. On the Aswan beach With me was Wanderer Ankit, Wanderer Artish, and Akash. This was the first day where I got the Interceptor 650 Twin and they all got Continental GT. It was a great combination and we all were going to Arambol. It was fun watching them riding a Continental GT. On the other hand, I was enjoying the Interceptor 650. I even rode like the way I ride Himalayan for few kilometers, and trust me guys, it was awesome fun. Continental GT has the clip-on handlebars, and if you can see in the mirror, it's not vibrating. The mirrors are not vibrating, तो आप लोग clearly देख सकते हैं कौन आ रहा है पीछे से. Look at that, no vibration, no vibration. So guys, in both the twins, the speedometer is analog. Only the trip meter and the fuel gauge are digital. Same way in both the twins headlight, instead of LED lights, they have put bulbs. The pickup of both the bike is really great compared to other Royal Enfield bikes. So guys, दोनों bike is really awesome. दोनों bike का CC is same 650cc. पहले दिन of twins I got the Interceptor जहाँ पे मैं आरंबोल आया और I'm telling you guys, my journey was only 20 km. I was really enjoying the whole journey from Wagator W Hotel to Arambol. ये बाइक उन लोगों के लिए है जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं. अगर मुझे बोला जाए तो मैं इंटरसेप्टर पे कहाँ पे भी जा सकता हूँ. I was taking the Continental GT to Donapola जहाँ पे हमें बताया गया था कि जितने भी बाइक्स है इंटरसेप्टर या GT needs to come here and we have to leave our bikes here and head back to the hotel. GT, the cornering on this bike is mind-blowing and I was playing around on the road. I will not deny that yes, GT will make you go faster and harder on the road, but same time it's a really stylish motorbike. So I reached Donapola and hand over the bike to the RE team. Wow, what an awesome time I had with this twin. Yes, I'm using this word awesome many times in this video because guys, when you go and take a ride, you will get down and tell, wow, what an awesome motorbike Royal Enfield has built. It's not over yet. I want to show you something. Come on, let's go. So I'm right now in Nerul branch store और I'm here. Hey, hi Iqbal.
Hi, how are you man?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
कभी आया तू गोवा से?
I came on 19th.
अच्छा, तो ये इकबाल है who takes care of the entire store. यहाँ से ही मैंने अपनी black stunner ली थी. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for the tea यार इकबाल. When I start the bike ना, गिरना नहीं चाहिए. देखो क्या लगता है गिरेगी?
जहाँ तक मुझे पता है 100% नहीं गिरेगी. What do you say?
मुझे भी वही लगता है. Let's see. तो ये मैंने चाय रख दी यहाँ पे. Okay. We can start. I'm on the GT 650. Yeah? Let's start it. No vibration at all. Huh? Awesome man. Pictures to zero vibration. So guys, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Till then, ride hard, ride safe. This is Venture Wonder. See you in my next vlog. Bye.